Hello, my name is Pratibha, and the lesson that we are having today is simile. Similes are a very interesting part of speech that you probably must have used without even realizing it. Similes are actually a way of comparing two things by using the words like or as. For example, if I say, my nephew is as sweet as sugar, so now here I related my nephew with sugar. But does that mean my nephew is sweet in taste? No, I'm not here actually talking about the taste. I'm here comparing my nephew's behavior with the sweetness of sugar because I find him sweet and loving. So, by saying as sweet as sugar means we are comparing something or someone with the sweetness of sugar. Okay, now let's take one more example. She exploded like a volcano. In this example of simile, I have compared a girl's behavior with the explosion of volcano. We all know how volcanic eruptions are. They blow up. So I have compared the behavior of a girl with explosion of volcano. That means that the girl's behavior was furious. She was erupting like a volcano, right? Now let's talk about some other well-known similes you often hear. First one is as light as a feather. So the meaning of this simile is something or someone that is light in weight. For example, this dress is as light as a feather. So here we have compared the weight of a dress with a feather, right? Okay, now the second one is as cold as ice. So this simile has two meanings. First is comparing the temperature between two things. For example, her feet are as cold as ice. So here we compared the feet with the coldness of ice. Now the second condition for which we can use this simile is to describe a person who does not show any emotion. For example, that was it. No phone call, no goodbye, nothing. She was as cold as ice. So now here we compared ice with the rudeness of someone. Okay, let's move to the third example. As hard as nails. That means using this we can compare the toughness or hardness between two things. For example, my leather boots are as hard as nails. So here what I have done, I have compared the hardness of my leather boots with nails. Okay, now the fourth one is as innocent as a lamb. So we all know how innocent lambs are. They never harm anybody. So this simile can be used to compare the innocence. For example, her sister is as innocent as the lamb. So what we did here? Here we compared the innocence of somebody's sister with the lamb. Alright, now let's move to the fifth example, that is as tall as a giraffe. So this simile is quite easy to understand. It's talking about the comparison of heights. For example, no other animal is as tall as giraffe. So what we did here? Here we compared the height of giraffe with other animals, right? Now the sixth example that we have is swim like a fish. So we can use this simile to indicate someone who can swim perfectly, right? For example, if I say, I was amazed to watch a man swimming like a fish. So in this example, we talked about a man who exactly swims like a fish, right? Okay, let's move to the seventh example, that is, have eyes like a hawk. So this means to miss nothing of what is going around one. Wow, I think this simile can be definitely used for our parents. For example, my mom has eyes like a hawk. That means she never miss anything going around her, right? Okay, now the eighth one is Work like a dog. So working like a dog means to work very hard. For example, he works like a dog even in weekends. Well, this is sad. Anyway, we cannot help it. Let's move further. Ninth is sings like an angel. So this means someone that has sweet and gentle qualities of an angel. If a chorus sounds angelic, it's a normal chorus of people, but their voices are so pure and beautiful that they sound like angels. So this simile can be used for someone whose voice is melodious. For example, last night I saw a girl singing like an angel. So here I compared the beautiful voice of a girl with the voice of an angel, right? Okay, now the last simile that I would like to discuss with you all is shine like the stars. So this simile is used to denote the spark of something or someone, like a star. For example, one day we will shine like the stars. So in this example, I compared myself with the stars. Alright? So this is all for today, and if you like the video, do not forget to hit the like button. Thank you.